What is up guys, this is Vishu from Savage Camp and today we are going to start a YouTube tutorial on Python. So there are a lot of tutorials out there which will give you everything you need to know when you're trying to learn Python. Now I don't follow that. Like for me, if I am going to run a marathon, I don't need to find out a coach. I don't need to write a plan. First thing, I need to get out of the couch and put my shoes on and walk. Then I will have to run a mile, run 3 miles, run 5 miles, and run 10 miles, and then I would start training for the marathon. But I'm not going to do it at the beginning. And what I see a lot of YouTube tutorials do is they actually try to teach you everything in the beginning, which is good. If you are trying to take this as a career, like you need to know everything, you need to invest time. But what I feel is a lot of people just give up because it's too much when you're trying to learn. So this tutorial is going to remove all that and we will just go over the absolute basics that you will need to write Python. That is it for this video. If you need more details about me, you can just find it over here. I have an in-depth Python course that is over 6 hours that will go through everything in detail and also teach you with projects. So if you want, reach out to me, but everything you need to know about me is on my LinkedIn. So just go over it. If you have any questions, let me know. And that is it for this video. We will start installing Python and PyCharm in the next one.